Hey everyone! For today's Canvas tip and trick video, we're going to walk through the process of setting up your personal pronouns in Canvas. So let's dive right in. Once you've signed into Canvas, you'll click on Account, which will open up this menu. Now go to Settings. You will see this page, and you can edit your settings by clicking on the Edit button to the far right. Now you'll find the area to set your pronouns. Choose from the drop-down menu. Select the appropriate pronoun and then click Update Settings. Once you set your personal pronouns in Canvas, they'll show up in several places. This includes announcements as well as discussions. It also includes the people in your course, and it includes the inbox. So that's it for now. Remember, you can change your personal pronouns by going into your account settings. If you need any additional support, please go to hartnell.edu/pdc/canvas. Thanks for watching.